There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the JCB Pothole Pro, a truly revolutionary machine designed to cut, crop and clean with one machine. All you need to do is just add tar. As we know, time is money, and this machine saves both. Being able to road to site at 40 kph and get working immediately is vital for an efficient operation. The JCB Pothole Pro has been designed and tested with leading contractors and councils across the UK. We want to fix potholes nationally. Now let's get into the detail. Starting with the rear of the machine, you'll recognise a 600mm planer we've designed with our partners at Tarmac. As we know, the average pothole depth is around 40mm, though this planer has the ability to go right down to 170mm. It's been tried and tested on a multitude of surfaces, including hot rolled asphalt. The operator has a choice between either powered or floating tilt. This enables a precise cut regardless of the gradient. And with built-in dust suppression, this planer reduces dust and debris from upsetting potential neighbours or residents. And nobody wants unhappy neighbours. Moving swiftly onto the front of the machine. The JCB 360-degree multi-tool allows the operator to rotate the attachment and crop against different elements. Gone are the days where workforce are being drafted in to use jackhammers or circular saws in order to create those square edges of the pothole. This is a massive safety benefit, reducing the health and safety risk and eliminating hand-arm vibration syndrome. With the JCB Pothole Pro, all of this operation in terms of creating a square edge and a uniform hole profile is done from the comfort of the cab. We believe a permanent repair is absolutely vital. The last thing you want to be doing is revisiting sites you've previously repaired due to reoffending potholes a few months later. On this machine, we've got a 600mm cropping tool fitted to match the planer size, with a variety of different blades or different attachments can be fitted. With this machine, it is absolutely perfect for working around ironworks and street furniture in the road. The ability to rotate the attachment and crop to any angle that suits you is absolutely perfect for this operation. With a traditional brush or bucket mode, the JCB 1.2 metre sweeper allows a large volume of material to be collected in one go. It has been optimised for a variety of different road defects. With a 0.3 cubic metre capacity, it's equivalent to 4.5 metres squared of ground being cleared. This increases productivity, but also allows for total adaptability. This machine is absolutely perfect for working on everything from small potholes right up to large patches. With the ability of bucket mode to lift the brush out the way, it is far less intrusive on wear and tear parts. With JCB, we're always looking for a sustainable future, and the ability to collect your chippings and then dump them into a support vehicle for recycling is absolutely crucial for us. So there is no need for 3 different machines to do the deed. With this unique machine, it is able to cut, crop and clean with one machine. But that's enough for me. Let's hear what our customers have to say.
Productivity wise, normally our road mender with a 2-man gang will do between 20 and 25 square metres a day. With this machine today we've done 63 square metres. I brought an extra 2 men in just for the volume of materials we're using, but it's more or less doubled the workload of what we're putting out in a day. Cost per pothole is one of the things that the KPIs we've got on the contract with Walsall Council. We have to report back on every month and do an average of what it costs across, as I said, the range of different types of work we get. We have to do a cost evaluation of that cost per pothole. I say we've actually got the client officer come out last week when we saw the patches we've got to do and extended the size of the patches so we can pull in more of the scabby road, if you like, next to it and extend the size of the patches, which makes the value of the roads better, the quality of the roads better, and includes the cost while we're there. We do it in one go, one set of traffic management, so it's all those sorts of costs you've got to take into benefit as well. It's reduced a lot of manual labour, it's speeded up the process, it's meant we can do bigger patches in one day, which saves traffic management and costs. One of the other benefits we've seen over the last 2 days as well is the 360 vision the driver's got. The people working in close proximity to this vehicle can be seen by the driver, they can see the driver. Having one machine that does 3 jobs is going to mean less people on site, so there's less chance of machinery and people getting into physical contact.
thank you to Steve Chapman there from Tarmac. Utilising the JCB Pothole Pro, Steve and his team have been able to double their output, all while maintaining both quality and value. Now let's have a listen to what Councillor Abby Brown and James Harper from Stoke-on-Trent City Council have to say.
Ensuring the roads across Stoke-on-Trent are in brilliant condition does cost money every year, and we're always looking at more efficient and effective ways of doing that moving forward to ensure that we can keep the road network in the condition that our residents and local businesses expect it to be in.
So currently we go out in a two-man gang in a 7.5 tonner. We'll go out with a still saw and cut the edges, and then large areas we'll use a breaker to break up the surface, and then obviously put that into a wheelbarrow and then lift that into our 7.5 tonner as the spoil. By the time our lads have cut, prepped the area and then tarmacked it and overbanded, it works out about an hour, depending on just a bog standard pothole size. Where we are reckoning with this machine, it's around about 8 minutes to get it out, and obviously a re-tarmac area, so huge benefits for ourselves. Most of the potholes by the time we get to it are around 600-700 mil, so say one cut and one sweep, it allows us to speed up our processes. Our lads can stay in the cab and the machine will do all the work for them, be working in a live carriageway. It reduces all your health and safety risks, all your halves, say all the back braking stuff, and say our lads will then just come and tarmac, so they're on site for less, and obviously speeds them up as well, and you've got no health and safety risk. Cropping tool, especially around manholes or up to curbs or tidying up pothole edges, would have been traditionally done with a breaker, and if anybody's used a breaker for 5 minutes, it's not the pleasant task. So you say all the machine is doing all the work for you, all the halves, all the white finger, that's machines doing it all, and obviously makes a nice neat tidy pothole for our lads to just top. With the bucket, when you open it up and then use it more like a dig end, and then remove all the spoil and then put it on the back of a wagon, and then the sweeper does sweep the area up nice and tidy and gives that clean finish where the lads would have had to use a brush and water. It speeded us up no end, because that's another part of the back braking, putting the tarmac on the back of the truck. We've got potholes and then larger patches, so with this machine that would have took us 2-3 days to have say 70 square metres out, we're getting that out before breakfast, and then our lads are topping it just after breakfast, so it's taking us half a day instead of that being 2 to 3 days. And I say we can go on to emergency large patches, smaller patches. Possibilities are endless for send this machine and just go do one pass approach.
We think this is a fantastic tool that will help to drastically improve the condition of the roads in Stoke-on-Trent by getting those irritating potholes and patchworks done even faster to keep our city moving at such a crucial time for residents and businesses. We wouldn't think twice about partnering with JCB, an innovative, world-beating company right from the heart of the UK. We're proud to be associated with JCB.
Many thanks to Abby Brown and James Harper there from Stoke-on-Trent City Council. One of Abby's key priorities is protecting both the workforce but also the general public, and she believes the JCB Pothole Pro does both. Not only that, but also the output she's able to gain utilising this machine, nearly doubling her productivity. With James, it used to take him an hour to repair his potholes, whereas now it's just 8 minutes. It's a huge saving, especially when he talks about the user-friendly operation of this machine. Ladies and gentlemen, you've heard it from me, you've heard it from our customers. What a truly magnificent machine. A unique proposition that cuts, crops, and cleans with one machine.